Here are 3 simple foam rolling exercises for you to do to improve your hip mobility. So we're going to start off. The first is for your IT band. So your IT band or iliotibial band is what that IT band stands for. Runs from your hip to just below your knee on the outside of the knee. Pretty common if you've got pretty tight IT bands and IT band issues, you might get some pain at that lateral or outside part of the knee. We're going to put the foam roller down on the ground like this, and I'm going to get on my side just like so, and I'm going to roll from the hip all the way down to the knee. I've got my top leg over my bottom leg, and that is going to help propel me along with my arm. So I'm just rolling from the hip, the top of the hip, all the way, and you'll feel some tight spots, and that's where you want to really focus in on. And you can even pause on those, or you can do little oscillations, but all the way down to the knee, and you can roll from the outside. That IT band's pretty big and wide, so you can roll on the back part, and you can roll a little bit forward, hit the front part, get a little bit of quad there. So that is how you roll out the IT band. I usually recommend doing that for just 1 to 2 minutes per side. Next, we're going to hit the quad. So again, having this here, we're going to bring our other leg up, and that's going to help propel. And you're going to go from the hip all the way down the knee, just like so. And you're going to want to hit the inside of that quad, which helps to extend that knee a bit. And you want to also hit the outside of the quad. That can get pretty tight as well, so make sure you're really going from the center to the inside to the outside, finding those tight spots, and then really focus in on those. And again, 1 to 2 minutes per side should be plenty. Lastly, the third and last exercise to foam roll to improve your hip mobility, we're going to hit the piriformis and glutes. So the piriformis is a deep muscle under the glutes, and what we're going to do, we're going to cross our leg. We're going to go up into this cross leg position, and I'm going to roll onto the hip or the glute of the leg that's crossed, okay? So I cross my legs, roll onto that glute, and I'm going to roll up and down, and you can really focus in again on those tight spots, and you can even pause on that, and you'll feel that it's going to be pretty tender, but slowly it'll release, and then you can go find the next spot. So those are the 3 foam rolling exercises that you can do to improve hip mobility. It's your IT band, quads, and the piriformis and glutes. Go give those a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below.